In this cake tutorial, I'm sharing how to make a beautiful concrete cake with succulents. I'll show you how to create this look with buttercream, and also pipe easy succulents and arrange them on the cake, and finally how to add the finishing touches. Hi, it's Lorelei. Welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time, welcome to Wedding Cakes For You Cake Tutorials. If you want to build your skills and confidence to create beautiful cakes and memories, subscribe and ring the bell. If you're using Italian meringue buttercream or any kind of meringue buttercream, add a small amount of sifted powdered sugar before adding a drop of black to make a light gray. Look around and see if you have some inspiration to work from. I'm using this beautiful rustic planter. You can shape your cake however you want, but I wanted to make it look like the planter, so I shaped the layers and then I chilled the cake, and now I'm crumb coating. So you want to crumb coat it and then refrigerate it. Then while the cake is chilling, you want to prepare your colors for the cactus. Cut some squares of wax paper so you can pipe and freeze. You also can pipe directly onto the cake, and you will see both of those in this cake tutorial. I'm going to put a link for you at the end of this video and also in the description box, because I have a really detailed tutorial on cactus. And it includes everything from the tips that you need right down to how to color each of the colors to make them look real, and also how to put them on cupcakes. Once you have a second coat on your cake, make some darker gray. Just add another drop of black and then smooth the cake a little bit, and then add streaks of darker gray to that. Keep scraping and leaving some roughness behind. I found that by scraping and then reapplying some of that scraped buttercream helped a lot to create that rough look. To create this coppery brown color, you can mix a small amount of yellow gold into brown, and it adds a really nice rustic touch. I was trying to recreate the pot, which had a little bit of that copper in it. You could also use a darker gray if you want to just stick to using gray. For the top and the part where the dirt is, you can add brown sugar, or you can also use graham cracker crumbs or glitter, the gold glitter. Chocolate cookies crumbled up also make a really good soil. And then for the cactus to stick, you'll need to scrape a little bit of that off, and then pipe amount of buttercream. After you get your frozen buttercream cactus on, you can fill in with various cactus shapes. So this is a star tip, and it has purple and green buttercream in it, and it makes a really nice succulent look. Also, leaf tips can be used, and what I really love is the round tip. There's a small round tip, I think it's like a 2 or a 3, and it makes great looking succulents that you can actually trail over the sides of the cake. This is edible gold dust on a brush, which you can use to swipe across the cake to add interest. Gold leaf looks amazing as well. I don't have any gold leaf in the house, but if you do, try that. And you could see a great example of that on the Little Cherry Cake channel. She has a 3-tier dummy cake, concrete style, and it's really cool, and it's got the gold leaf all over it. I hope you enjoyed my concrete cake design with buttercream succulents. If you did, and if you're inspired to try your own, please use hashtag #CakesWithLorelei. Share that cake with me anywhere, Facebook, Instagram. I'm also on Pinterest, and you can leave me a comment below. Make sure to look below in the description box because I have all kinds of stuff under there for you, including a free book at my website. So check those out, and I will see you in the next video.